calling my cameraman because I've been called for the police to see a disturbance out here in the Gein residence. So if you would follow me, please.
What the hell is all this? Whoa.
One of the callers told us to investigate the shed.
Shit. Yeah, I don't think we should go in there. No, wait, hold on. Whoa.
Says there may be. There's been odors coming from here. So I'll be the first one to check.
Oh, God. Oh. What the hell's... Oh, you smell that? Lift it up. Lift it up. Dude, I don't know what the hell's in there. Shit. Stuck? Yeah. Gavin! Get out of here!